Okay, let's imagine you have an old CD with a lot of scratches and it maybe doesn't play right and you want to use it again, or at least you try to save the data of it. There's a little trick. Most of you maybe know it. Some maybe don't know that trick, like CD scratches. It's actually pretty easy. What you need, you just need a little bit of toothpaste. And I want to point out, you just should do that if it really doesn't work anymore, because you can damage it, of course. So I'm just saying, if you have something and it's not working properly, like CD like this one, and it has scratches, as a last resort, you can actually try to resolve that problem. So you see some scratches here, and then we take the toothpaste and we also have scratches here. It's pretty hard to film, but you see the scratches here. Let's just go there. And sometimes it just helps to rub it with toothpaste. Toothpaste actually, it's a little bit like sandpaper, but really super fine. And then you just rub it here for a while. You flush it with water later, and then sometimes that can just help you and does the trick, so you can read a CD-ROM, a DVD, whatsoever. Again, it's just a small like life hack which you can use. As I said, it's just like a last resort you want to go to if your CD-ROM or whatever you have does not work. And let's just say that's the CD, and I'm going to rinse it with water real quick, and then we just see if it brought any results, if it helped. You cannot do that like 20 times because then you grind everything down. But you, as I said, if you really have a CD, it's just not playing anymore, and you need to recover that data. It's maybe a data CD, or like in this case a music CD, which I actually found at the curbside, and I played it, but then it doesn't play all the tracks. So I figured out it has some scratches, and now let me just rinse that real quick, and then we have a look. So that's after the rinsing. We could get most of the scratches out. At least we could kind of smoothen them out, these scratches, which makes it just easier for the CD player. And as I said, you just need like a microfiber cloth and then something like toothpaste, and at least you can give it a try. Sometimes it works, sometimes it just doesn't work. But anyways, as I said, as a last resort, you just can try that life hack.